You press run, and boom, your code just works, or sometimes doesn't. But what's actually happening? Let's uncover the unsung hero of coding, the compiler. A compiler is like a translator. It takes human-readable code and converts it into machine instructions, ones and zeros that your CPU understands. First, it scans your code line by line, chopping it into tiny parts called tokens, like words in a sentence. For example, int a equals 5 becomes these individual tokens the compiler can understand. Next, it checks the grammar of your code, making sure everything follows language rules. Forget a semicolon? Compiler catches it instantly. Now it looks for meaning. Is every variable used correctly? Is data type matching up? This is where logic errors get caught. Once everything's valid, the compiler creates an intermediate code, halfway between your source and machine code. Then comes optimization. The compiler improves your code to run faster, using fewer resources. Finally, it generates real machine code, the instructions your processor executes. The linker then combines everything, your code, libraries, and resources, into a final executable. Then your program runs. So in short, your compiler goes through 7 brilliant stages to turn logic into life. Every app you use, every game you play, every AI tool, all powered by compilers working quietly in the background. Fun fact, the first compiler was built in the 1950s. Today, the same process happens in milliseconds. And that's how a compiler works, silently turning your ideas into reality. Subscribe for more tech explainers from Lunatic Coder.